What is your end game? When I first started selling on Amazon back in 2013, I had no end game. I wasn't focused on creating an asset that could be resold. I was just focused on reselling products. That was a mistake. If you're an Amazon FBA seller, you should know that you're building an asset that can be resold down the road if you take the right steps along the way. Amazon FBA businesses are in high demand, and many sellers are selling them for up to 36 times their monthly profit. So that's 3 years of profit. Many sellers are making 6, 7, even 8-figure deals selling their Amazon storefronts. In this video, I'm going to show you what Amazon businesses are going for and how to make sure that you're set up to resell your business at the highest possible price. Let's go. If you don't have time to watch this video, I get it. Check out empireflippers.com or flippa.com. Those are two websites that sell Amazon FBA businesses. Empire Flippers is a better option. It's bigger and they have a more strict criteria, so you can't sell like brand new small stores. Flippa, however, you can sell very small stores, even stores that have like no sales. You could sell just selling the gatings and the account age. So check those out. But for the rest of you, let's get into reselling your Amazon business. Okay, we're inside Empire Flippers. This is the go-to site for selling bigger Amazon storefronts and buying bigger Amazon storefronts. Like I said, they're very choosy about what they let on the site. So if you have a very new account, it's probably not going to pass. If you have a retail arbitrage or online arbitrage account, it's probably not going to be allowed. Which brings me to the first thing. Arbitrage accounts are very difficult to sell. I love the model. You know I love the model, but you should always be striving to expand into things that are easier to pass on to someone else. You need to think about handing over the keys to another business. What would you pay for a business where it involves the person going out daily and doing work? The less work that's involved, the more valuable an Amazon business is. So let's go in here and we can actually take a look and see what it is that they actually are listing on these. And we can see what people value and what they what makes the sites worth what they're worth. So let's go in here and let's go to Amazon FBA. Here's a bunch of different stores. The way that it's broken down, they have net profit. So that is a monthly net profit. They should put monthly on there, but that's monthly. The price is $203,000. What they do is they get a multiplier based on various things. That is a pretty high multiplier. That's almost a 30x multiplier, which means 30 times